In this video, we are going to be looking at how to create an Alipay account, how to register an Alipay account, what are the tools needed. So this is the Alipay account that you need to make payments. It is a payments gateway where you use to make payments for your goods in China. You can buy on Pinduoduo 1688, JD, and the rest from China. So we're going to be looking at how to create this account. Now to create this account, you simply go to Play Store. When you go over to Play Store, you type Alipay. Okay, when you type Alipay, it's going to come out like this. Now I have it installed. Yeah. So if you don't have it installed, you just see install, then you can install it. You can download the Alipay app from Play Store or the Apple Store. Then when you have downloaded it, you just go back to where you have it and you open it. When you open yours, it's not going to be looking like this. It's going to be brand new because you need to do the registration before you can get into this interface. So when you open yours, you are going to see an interface that is going to prompt you to create an account. So all you have to do is to click on create account, and you'll be able to use your phone number and your name to create an account, or your email and your name to create an account. So after creating the account, you're going to see the interface like this. After seeing the interface like this, what's the next thing you have to do to be able to use the app? The next step is to verify the app, because without verifying the app, you will not be able to use it to make payments. So for you to be able to make payments and pay for your goods in 1688 or Pinduoduo, you have to be a verified user of Alipay, and you are making payments through yuan. So how do you get this yuan that you want to make payments with? Let's say you want to buy something of 200 yuan and you want to make payments. Now how do you get the 200 yuan? It's simple. You look for an exchanger who you will give your naira to. You do the calculation, you give it the naira equivalent of the 200 yuan, then he's going to send the 200 yuan to your account, to your Alipay account, and then you can now make payments with that 200 yuan on either Pinduoduo or 1688. But before you are able to receive that money into your Alipay account, you need to be a verified user. You need to verify your account. They need to verify your identity, that you are a real person. And how do they verify your identity? Okay, by the time you create the account, you just come to this place that says account. This place that says account. When you click on it, you'll be brought to this place, right? You'll be brought to this place. When you click on it, it is going to take you to a place where you can do proper verification. You input your name, your date of birth, as it is your real life details. You input everything, and after imputing it, you go a step further by uploading your identity information, a government this place. You click on this place and you'll be taken to a place where you need to upload your identity information. It has a government ID. You need to upload the government ID, and that government ID you need as a Nigerian to be able to create the account is your international passport. So you need to be able to get your international passport. Once you get the international passport, they ask you to snap the your data page. That page has your picture, it has your date of birth, it has your NIN and everything. It has your address. So you snap it. After snapping that data page, they'll also tell you to take a selfie of yourself. You turn on your camera and tell you to take a selfie of yourself. They'll ask you to shake your head, then they'll ask you to blink or nod, and they also record a video of that. And after uploading the passport, taking the video and all, your account will be under review. They review the information you've given them, and at the end of the day, if they find out that the information is good, is legit, they'll verify your account and you'll be able to payment and receive payments. If I click on this place that says name card, okay, let me just click on it. You are going to see that it has my name, it has my email address, then it has my real name, right? My real name that is in my international passport. Then here it says verified. It says verified here. So my account is verified. I can use it to receive payments, and I can also use it to make payments, send money, and the rest. Without this Alipay account, you'll not be able to make payments. The only way you can make payments is to maybe tell somebody like me who is verified, who has a verified Alipay account, to help you pay for whatever it is you want to buy. Let's say you are buying something and then you've done your due diligence. All you have to do is to copy the link of what you have bought, what you want to buy, and then you send it to me. And I you send it to me, you send the link to me, you also send the money to buy it, and I get the RMB directly to my Alipay account, and then I help you buy, and it is shipped to your own warehouse address, and you get it in Nigeria. When you want to receive like money from Alipay, you've sent, you need 200 RMB to buy something, or you need 1000 RMB to buy something, and you've given the person who is going to send you the you've given your naira to the person who is going to fund your Alipay with that amount of money. How does that person now fund your account? It's simple. You either, if you used your phone number to open the Alipay account, the person is either going to go to his Alipay and type your phone number, and it's going to show with your picture, and they are going to be able to pay you. Or you simply download this QR code. You simply download this QR code so you can save it to your album in your phone. After saving it, you send it to the person, and once you send it to the person, this center that has this blue Alipay logo will have your picture. So as soon as the person scans it, your name and your details, they are going to appear. Then the person will be able to send money directly to your Alipay accounts, and you'll be able to use it. So if we come to this my transactions, we're going to see the transactions I've done with this Alipay. Then if we click on balance, I'm going to see how much I have on the Alipay account. So it's going to load and we're going to see how much I still have. Okay, I still have 2.9 yuan. There was a time I bought a goods of 179.8 yuan and another one of 12.80 yuan. So all these are like transactions, and but transactions, if I click on this all, it will show me more transactions that I've done in the past. Then bank cards, I can come here and add a bank card to my Alipay account. Then this message is if I have a notification, or maybe I have a complaint and I chat with the customer care representative. Now if you want to um make payments to somebody's Alipay, you just come over to this place that says pay, right? And you will be able to, it will take you to an interface whereby that QR code I showed you, that my QR code. So someone else can, maybe you want to send money directly to that person's Alipay. The person just needs to send you his or her QR code. You click on this pay and you scan the person's QR code and you'll be able to type how much you want to send to the person's Alipay, and you put your payment pin, password and the rest, and the money will be transferred to the person's account. So this Alipay is a mini app. It's not This Alipay is everything in China. You can use it to book a train, hotel, look for accommodation and the rest. So this Alipay is a very vital app in China that you can use to do a lot of things. To get your Alipay account, you need an international passport. So the next step is to go to the Nigerian immigrations website. You register in on their website. You put your details for those that don't have passport, but for those that have passport, you can easily use the passport you have to go ahead and register on Alipay and verify your Alipay account. But for those that don't have, it is either you go to Nigerian's immigration website, do the registration there, then you go to the office and do your biometrics, and you get your passport after 2 weeks. Or you can, if you don't have the money to do the passport, because they recently um, changed the price of passports. So if you don't have the money, be you can ask someone who has an Alipay, someone like me who has an Alipay, to make payments for you on your behalf. In our next class, we'll be looking at how you can register your international passport for those who don't have an international passport and they have the money and they want to register their own international passport, so they'll be able to have their own Alipay account to make their payments. We'll be looking at how to get your international passport, the registration process and all. So wait for that video, it will come out and you watch it. Now if you found this video helpful so far, give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a video about China importation. Share this with family and friends, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.